In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a category in WooCommerce. Whether you're running a small online shop or managing a larger e-commerce store, keeping your product categories organized is key to creating a clean and professional shopping experience. Sometimes you may want to hide certain categories for specific reasons. Maybe it's a seasonal category, or perhaps it's something you just don't want visible to your customers right now. Whatever the case may be, I'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure it's done easily and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll be able to hide categories in WooCommerce like a pro. So let's get started. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control center where you can manage everything related to your website and online store. If you're not familiar with it, don't worry, it's a straightforward interface, and with a bit of practice, you'll feel comfortable navigating it. Once you've logged in, you'll see a menu running down the left-hand side of your screen. Look for the products option and click on it. This will take you to the page where all of your products are listed. Now, the next step is to locate the product associated with the category you want to hide. If you have a large inventory, scrolling through the list might take some time. Luckily, there's a helpful search bar near the top of the screen. You can type in the product name or keywords related to it, and it will narrow down the results for you. This is a great way to save time and avoid frustration, especially if you're managing a busy online store with dozens or even hundreds of products. Once you've found the product you need, go ahead and click the Edit button next to its name. This will take you to the product editing screen, where you can make changes to all the details associated with that product. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page. If you haven't worked in it before, you'll see sections for pricing, inventory, product images, and more. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on the product categories section. Scroll down on this page until you find the product categories area. Here you'll see a list of all the categories that this product is currently assigned to. Each category will have a checkbox next to it. Now, all you need to do is find the category that you want to hide and uncheck the box next to it. This action removes the product from that category, effectively hiding it from view. After you've unchecked the box, it's really important to save your changes. Look over to the right-hand side of your screen, and you'll see the Update button. Click on that, and WordPress will save the changes you just made. It's always a good idea to double-check that your edits have been applied correctly. So let's move on to the final step. To confirm that the category is no longer associated with the product, return to the Products page. You can do this by clicking on Products in the menu again. Once you're back on the product list, locate the product you just edited. Check the Categories column to ensure the category you wanted to hide is no longer listed. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully hidden a category in WooCommerce. And that's it. As you can see, it's a quick and simple process once you know where to go and what to do. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.